hero's welcome greeted the Kaya ng Pinay Everest team as their motorcade went around Manila this morning. Noel Wenceslao, Karina Dayondon, and Janet Bellarmino have been busy attending victory celebrations, which is why Noel had to rush to get a haircut during a quick break time this afternoon. The group then proceeded to the Manila City Hall for a courtesy call with Mayor Lito Atienza. At the Philippine Coast Guard headquarters, they were met by former President Fidel Ramos. The women admit they aren't used to all the attention.
Minsan mas mahirap pa siya kasi sa climb. Kasi parang kailangan mo mag-maintain ng smiling face kahit pagod ka na, di ba? Parang ganun pala yung mga artista.
There was also an awarding ceremony at the Philippine Coast Guard headquarters where the women are enlisted. In the ceremony, they were formally promoted from Seawoman First to Petty Officer Third Class. After the ceremony, the women showed off their rescue skills by doing a so-called slide for life from the ship MS Philippines to the PCG headquarters, while the first Filipino Everest summiter Leo Oracion rappelled from a helicopter. And despite all the attention they're getting, the women say it isn't fame they're after.
Yung gusto namin ipahatid sa kanila, ibayan nila yung puso nila, kahit ano pang gusto nila, kaya nila.
Reporting for News Central, Nina Corpus, ABS-CBN News.